Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about task restrict day. That when we add deadline, that also add greater than or today's date. So let's see about it how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Task Restrict Day. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to tasks and create new. Task for buildings. Add project and add. Now go to this created task and add deadline. I add less than today. It means 26 March. Let's save. So you can easily see here display here validation error for deadline. That deadline date must be today or greater than today's date. Now I add 28. Let's save. So you can easily see here only at today's or greater than of deadline date. Thank you.